What's up, Mapuans? We are the Mapua Senior High School Sports Club Intramuros, bringing you today another video. First and foremost, we wanna greet each and every one of you a happy Valentine's Day. Zim, tama yan. First and foremost, my name is Mar Lawrence B. Lim, Grade 11 Business Manager, and here with me
is Iya, Assistant Secretary of the Mapua Sports Club Intramuros.
And today, we'll be interviewing different Mapuans on their preferences when choosing a partner. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm here with, ano pangalan mo kuya?
Luis Rasho.
Luis Rasho, from what course?
PSME.
PSME, shoutout sa mga PSME students dyan. So, yeah, kamusta naman yung Mapuan experience mo?
Sa 3 years, okay naman.
Okay naman. So,
Kinakaya.
Tama. Ano preferences mo sa babae? Ano ba? Gusto mo ba na mestiza, morena, chinita?
Gusto ko siguro yung morena, ganun.
Morena, bakit morena?
Mas may dating para sa akin yung mga...
Mas may madating. Sige, thank you kuya, thank you. So here with me today, ano pangalan mo kuya? Kevin. So Kevin, kamusta ka?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Kamusta naman yung Mapuan experience mo?
Kaya naman, nakaka-stress.
Nakaka-stress no? Okay, so for this Valentine's Day, tatanungin kita, ano ba ang preference mo sa isang babae? Gusto mo ba ng chinita, mestiza, o morena?
Chinita.
Chinita? Bakit chinita?
I love short eyes. Hindi pala. Yung basta. Yun.
Basta yung maganda, ganon.
Basta maganda.
Sige, thank you very much, thank you. So I'm with, kuya, ano pangalan mo? Shady, from what course?
Chemistry.
Shoutout sa mga chemistry students dyan. So, kamusta ka naman kuya?
Okay lang.
Okay naman yung Mapuan experience mo?
Yes.
Sabaw? Oo. So, for this Valentine's Day, ano ba? Ano man preference mo sa isang babae? Gusto mo ba na mestiza, morena, chinita?
Yung preference ko ay lalaki, pero sa lalaki, lang. Actually, wala akong type technically. Depende talaga sa sa personality, sa nila. Kapag may common interest, ganun.
Perfect. Sige. Thank you, kuya. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Hello po, kuya. Kamusta po kayo, kuya? So, I'm with ate. Ano pangalan mo?
Ate Mika. I'm Mika.
From what course?
STEM.
STEM. So, org?
Org, the Cardinal Prince.
The Cardinal Prince. Shoutout sa mga TCP gang dyan. Alam ko, marami nanonood dyan. Kay Sir Tim, ano masasabi mo kay Sir Tim?
Hi, Sir Tim!
Yes naman. So, unang tanong ko, kamusta ka naman as a Mapuan?
I'm okay. May work immersion tayo. Pero okay lang.
Okay lang. Pagod?
Medyo. Pero kaya.
Kakayanin. So, ano preferences mo ba sa lalaki? Ano ba? Mestizo, chinito, moreno? All of the above.
All of the above.
All of the above. Wow! Wow!
Mapili.
Wow, bakit? Why? Explain.
I love everyone.
You love everyone. So, kahit sino pwede.
Basta
okay.
mabait, loyal, and trustworthy siya. Yeah.
Okay, sige. Thank you po. Thank you. So, I'm with... Kuya, ano pangalan mo, kuya?
Hi, I'm Jomar po.
Jomar, from what course po?
Anong course? SHS po.
SHS. Okay. Anong org?
Ano po? Science Club.
Science Club. Shoutout sa mga TSC dyan. So, Kuya Jomar, kamusta ka?
Ayoko na dito ng tama.
Okay, I'm here with, ate, pangalan mo?
Alexa.
How about you?
Anya.
Course?
Multimedia Arts and Broadcasting. Multimedia Arts.
Parehas kayo. Okay. Shoutout sa mga kasama niya. Kasama nila pala, sorry. So, first and foremost, kamusta kayong dalawa?
Okay lang ako. Okay lang naman.
As a Mapuan, okay naman kayo? Stress?
Yes. I'm good.
Hindi naman stress? Sana all. Okay, so, ano ba preferences niyo sa isang lalaki? Moreno, mestizo, chinito?
Ako, for me, moreno.
Moreno, bakit?
Moreno. I mean, for me, kasi gusto ko kasi, ano ba, hindi ko
Guys, kinikilig. Kinikilig yung dalawa. Ano?
I don't know, mas prefer ko talaga moreno kasi parang mas buhay yung ano niya.
Mas buhay yung moreno. How about you, ate?
Ako naman, any. Kung sino magustuhan ko, okay.
Any. So, kahit sino. Okay lang. Okay, sige. Thank you po. Thank you. Meron pa pala? May shoutouts ba kayo?
Sa Mapua RC. Shoutout po sa Mapua RC. Tuning!
Ayan. So, I'm here with Kuya. What's your name?
Jairus po.
Jairus from what course?
STEM po.
STEM. So, you're senior high school?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to shout out anyone?
No, I don't know. I don't know anyone to shout out.
You don't know anyone. So, first and foremost, I want to ask you, how is your Mapuan experience?
It's been fine, low key. It's been a bit stressful. That is, but like I've been hanging out, playing into things. You know.
You're stressed. You're stressed and tired.
Yeah, I'm stressed. Yeah.
Kakayanin. So, my question is, what are your preferences for a girl? Specifically, morena, mestiza, or chinita?
Let's go with morena. Morenas are beautiful sometimes. Yeah.
So, why? Can you explain further? Why do you want morena?
Ewan ko, freg.
Gusto ko lang. Gusto mo lang kasi type mo? Okay. I see. So, thank you very much, kuya. Thank you.
So, I'm here with...
Hi, I'm Sway. Good afternoon.
So, ano po ang type niyo? Moreno, mestizo...
Okay. I'm more on moreno na guys.
Why, ate?
Ewan ko, I just find it attractive, lalo na pag moreno sila tapos medyo... medyo close to our Filipino culture kasi. So, pag moreno yung guy. So, I mean, that's on my, sa perspective ko. So,
thank you, ate.
So, I'm with ate. Ang pangalan mo? Ara. From what course po?
Chemistry po.
Chemistry. Isa na naman chemistry. Shoutout sa mga chemistry students dyan. So, ate, kamusta ka naman as a Mapuan?
Hindi na po okay.
Hindi na po. Bakit?
Mapagod po, tsaka po laging puyat.
Laging po yan. Wala, expected na talaga yan. Mapuwa to eh. So, ate, ano po ba preferences nyo sa isang lalaki? Mestizo ba? Chinito? Moreno?
I like, moreno.
Moreno? Wow. Bakit?
Hindi ko po alam. Mas gusto ko po yung looks nila. Tsaka po very Filipino.
Very Filipino. Sige. Thank you, ate. As rain starts to fall in the horizon, this has been your host, Mar Lawrence B. Lim, also known as Renren, the grade 11 business manager from the Mapua Sports Club Intramuros. Wishing you everyone a happy Valentine's Day sa inyong lahat. And I also want to greet the girl behind the camera, Iya, the Assistant Secretary of Mapua Senior High School Sports Club Intramuros. Thank you guys for watching, and we're gonna see you guys next time.